it led me into a conversation around racism and consciousness, and how do I share my perspective of first knowing who I truly am and choosing to incarnate as a Black woman. And what does all that mean, right? How can what's my role in this dance? What really shifts this is going to be the shift of consciousness within each individual. My response to racism, even for Black America, like, okay, how do we actually start to empower ourselves? Will we bring the light and the focus back to ourselves, right? That's number one. Like, build that foundation, build yourself, build community, build your legacy, and then let that spill out into your activism. To see yourself in someone else, to see yourself in an Indian person, Black person, white person, or whatever that is, you have to be sitting in the space to know that you are an infinite being housed in a body, and that there is no difference, that everybody is a reflection of thyself. So I have to unwind my own mind. I have to deprogram myself to say what it means to be a Black person or a Black woman. They've told you that we're not for nothing, and they told us that too, right? So there's a system, it's a systemic psychic energy entity almost that has permeated all our fields. And with that, it feels like a unified walk together to unplug ourselves, to liberate ourselves, to come into a view of knowing I'm going to see you as a part of me. I'm going to see you as human. I'm going to see you as the individual that you're showing up as, and start to deprogram myself. And Black and white people have to equally do that work.